Okay.
Hey guys, Eline is here with massive hair. Have fun. See you guys at the end.
Okay.
Drama. Coolest moment in every video. Ready for it?
Let's go. Oh, no.
Slim Shady.
Whee. Oh, nice.
Oh, verkeerde kap.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Bam.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Damn.
Damn.
It's cool. I like it. No fade in the back, just down to a number 2. I forgot to show you the numbers. So 2, 3, and a 5, 16 millimeters. Just enough to make it a little bit fluffy. A lot of hair on here. Let me know what you guys think of it down here in the comments. Thanks for coming. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.